Okay, we are back to this amazing Pfaff 130-6, and obviously what we're going to sew off on now is this very difficult to pierce and very strong canvas binding tape. I don't know if the camera is able to capture it or not, but if I turn it on the side like this and kind of rotate it back and forth, what I want you to see is that it has a Kevlar type weave to it. What that means right away is that it is going to really resist that needle going through. The piercing threshold on this canvas binding tape is unbelievably high, even with just a few layers. But as usual, we want to raise the stakes much higher than that. So we're going to go through a total of 10 layers of this canvas binding tape. We're going to start out with one layer right there. We're up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 layers of this very difficult to pierce canvas binding tape. I'm grouping it together so you can look at it from the side. Check that out. Can you believe the thickness of that canvas binding tape? And again, this is not a standard type textile material. This stuff is almost like going through a type of armor because of that Kevlar type weave through it. But watch how easily this amazing German engineered machine with that 1 amp original Pfaff motor gets the job done. Follow me down to the needle. And notice as well, we're looking at 10 layers of canvas binding tape, and yet look at how easily it fits underneath that presser foot. All right, here we go. 10 layers of canvas binding tape. I started out and decided to race, but I thought, you know what, I better slow her down and just show you how easy it is to harness all of that power that this machine can put out. And not only that, and I've said it many times, to have all of that power is fantastic, whether you're looking to sew through multiple layers of quilt batting, whether you're looking to do heavy duty sewing, leather sewing, saddle making, whatever you want to name. Great to have that power, but the stitch quality is the final measure of an incredible machine, and this is an incredible machine. Look at that. The spacing, the formation is perfect in every respect. Let me turn it vertical so you can look at it that way as well. Just check that out. The stitch speaks for itself. It's everything about perfection. And as I rotate it around towards that lock-in stitch, look at the thickness of those 10 layers of canvas binding tape again, and remember how easily this 130-6 got the job done. And look at that lock-in. The lock-in stitch on this machine is the best that I've seen of any of the machine classes or the machine makers that we've been able to sew on. It just really does a wonderful job of maintaining the integrity of that stitch, maintaining the integrity of that lock-in, and just getting the job done. You know what? Whatever you're looking to do, whether it's quilting, heavy duty sewing, this Pfaff 130-6 cannot be beat.